This is my company, a group of companies actually. Within the company, I collect the invoices, I do the bookkeeping, I get you coffee, I do the dishes, and they call me the founder. We are with quite some people. We have 12 running projects at the moment. We're well familiar with ITEA, and we have one Xecs project up and running, biosecurity at the moment. I would like to show you a little bit our insights. We have, I will skip the marketing talk, sorry. I will just go to the first group of companies. We use one single platform as a building block for all the different companies to spin off. So MEDrecord is a certified e-health platform that we're able to reuse again and again for specific use cases. It's a bit of it's a Lego plate, it's completely certified, and within the Netherlands we're entitled to connect to all 8,400 healthcare institutes. So we are able to store clinical data in every kind of format. One of the use cases is HealthTalk that we launched recently, earlier this year. It is doing speech to text into clinical vocabularies into automated reporting. It is completely recognizing all the wording. I broke my leg, you broke your leg. If the doctor says you broke your leg, it's a clinical diagnosis. If I, as a patient, state I broke my leg, it's just a note, not much more than that. We're implementing now in the first hospitals for this part, and we would like to extend this more and more on the front side into getting a better intake for the patient, and on the back side to do automated diagnosis or triage, how you call it, just to help the patient out, the doctor out. This gives a little bit more insight into what we do here. So here you can see the recognition of medication. Actually here the doctor can state, you take paracetamol 4 times a day for the next 4 weeks, and it will all be recognized and completely automated reported. Since we are connected to all Dutch hospitals, we can easily also communicate this with each and every hospital. So that's what we would also like to extend into Europe. We have 2 different companies as well. They were not on the slides. We have Club Diabetes with this diabetes management for diabetes type 2. We are able to reverse diabetes within a month or 2. Personally, I found that a rather interesting approach. So in the previous 20 years, we always did more medication, quicker, lesser days in the hospital, whatever. But here, without any medication, we are able to reverse the diabetes. And secondly, we also have MedSafe, which is one of the 6 Dutch official PGO's personal health environments. And with that, in the Netherlands, you're able to get your data out from the hospital and communicate with your own doctor. I will pitch one of the project ideas at 2 o'clock, 2:15, I think. Thanks.
Thank you, Jan-Marc.